companies, allocated in 7 different offices, obviously always planning, about 60% of the year. Here we've got the main headquarters in Norway and Belgium, where the strategy comes from, the R&D and the actual idea. And then we've got some sales offices in the US and in India. Quickly also as support in 32 different languages, using open source to continue to translate it. With about over 1,000 schools per day, this is always on the up. With an average of 15% of these in the last couple of years. But a quick one here, I'm sure we'll see this before, but the main vision, okay, this is not where we are right now, this is where we aim to be as soon as possible, to basically combine the huge product scope, the huge and possibilities of these big, well-known household names such as SAP and Oracle, and combine that with the ease, accessibility, the low cost, obviously quick implementation time of vertical, very easy to use business apps, single purpose. So through the actual modular applications model, we can guarantee that we have large, small, can actually get something you can work with, you can scale, and quickly implement. Now, in terms quickly about what Odoo is to propose, mainly it's obviously the integration between the applications which enable any company basically to manage the very large file they need through one single software. We've got here more in the sense that a lot of companies are still using data, Excel sheets, but also a lot of different standalone single-purpose software that need to be connected in order to not lose precious time in re-entering the data. Okay, but the actual business model, how the relationship works with the partner is very key.
Odoo as an editor will be there, obviously, to provide the best product possible, okay, with regular updates, regular bug fixes for partners. And we'll do two things mainly with that partner. First, we'll train them, functionally, commercially, technically if needed. A lot of partners come in already technically, obviously, savvy and knowledgeable. And we'll provide services to this partner in the sense that the partner is the first line of support, line of contact for the end customer. And if needed, that partner has access to his account manager for functional, commercial, sales questions, assistance on demonstrations, for example, and more or less say technical services through what we call partner success packs, which we'll see a bit later on. Okay? The partner in itself will then deploy and install Odoo Enterprise locally or on our cloud. Both options are possible. And we'll provide all those services to the end customer. Okay? The actual range of services, how they are provided, how much they are billed, in what format, partner is completely free to decide that for himself, because we know and we believe that local partners have a better, let's say, knowledge about the local market and know their customers better than us. Okay, so on that side, the partner is very free. Which leads us to a quite easy pricing model for the end customer. All the prices are transparent on the website. It just changes from region, from continent to continent, basically. We'll either be looking at 18 euros per user per month or $10 or $6, based on where you're from. Add to that the partner services, who again is completely free to model that the way he wishes, and you get the total customer cost. Now, regarding the partner in itself, every single new Odoo Enterprise contract will yield commissions of 10, 15, or 20%, depending on the level, which we'll see a bit later on, and obviously 100% of the partnership revenues related to the services. Whether it's pre-project analysis, post-project training, development, the partner keeps 100% of those of that revenue generated by these services. Now, the actual partnership program we have at Odoo here, as you know, and it's quite logical, is based on servicing. Okay, so the end customer will always, let's say, have two relationships. One with us, in terms of, as we are the editor, we provide the software. We'll have a contract with him regarding the use of that software. Okay, so the customer will pay his licenses to Odoo. Odoo will give out commissions to the partner, who then, obviously himself, invoices the rest. So, as a customer, as an end user, why would you work with a partner? Many reasons. Number one would be if you need and if you wish to have a locally hosted solution. Okay, but mainly it will be an advantage because you will have a company that is trained technically, functionally, that knows what they're doing on Odoo and will always have a direct relationship and direct line of contact at the editor's headquarters if needed to escalate any issues, to have support on any maybe development processes or just general questions. Okay, which leads us to the transparent ranking of different partners in the sense that at Odoo you cannot purchase a certain level of partnership like you can do with any other software providers. It's not because you've got more resources and basically more money in the bank that you can become a gold partner. We want partners to be ranked in a transparent way in the sense that, and we'll see this a bit later on, the ranking system follows a very easy, let's say, system to follow for the customer in the sense that it's based on performance. So a ready partner is a partner that has not yet reached 50 licenses, 50 user licenses. Same for silver and gold. You basically get upgraded based on performance, you get better benefits, but we want the customer to be able to go on the website, have a look at the different types of partners he's got close to him, and decide based on this. Now, the actual partner benefits, which is the main, obviously, objective of this talk here. There are many, but I'd like to emphasize a couple of ones, mainly the account manager, in the sense that it's going to be someone here working at our Brussels office who will be extremely precious as an ally to win those deals. Okay, the partnership is there for a very simple reason, is to get business on both sides, for Odoo and for the partner. And this account manager can help in the beginning with the first customer demonstrations, give out references, speak about the different options that the customer's got in front of him, answer functional questions. The only thing the account manager will not be able to help the partner with is purely technical questions. So if you come to your account manager with a custom line of code that is buggy, he won't be able to help you as they are not technical people. But they know the software, they know the functional side. The technical resources are obviously also very important because a lot of the main reason why customers will work with a local partner is because they do need some development behind also. Odoo can do it, but it's quite limited. It's the bread and butter of the partners here at Odoo, so basically you get access to the complete source code, no limits, no restrictions whatsoever on what to develop, how to develop it. Also get access to a very large, let's say, bank of documents. We call it the knowledge base. It's mainly training on the implementation methods, on how to do a good demonstration, comparisons also with other ERP editors and their product, and obviously different marketing tools and resources for any events or presentation you may have. Another thing that's quite important and is quite overlooked also is the functional training. It's the training we use to train our new employees, so we have faith in it. It's quite a large database of videos to go through, but they do go through each application quite in a lot of detail, which enables any functional person to have a good view of what the software can do and how to do it, to be able to quickly analyze a customer's needs and evaluate the compatibility, let's say, with Odoo. There will also be the possibility of getting access to professional services through partner success packs. Now, official partners get a discount on these packs for the first one, which is very nice in the sense that these packs can be used for many different purposes, but mainly they will be used for consultancy, for guidelines on any type of question the partner may have, whether it be on a specific project, whether it be on a specific application that they have to develop around, or just have a technical person available, assigned to you to be there and help you and assist you in any way needed. Now, it's important to mention that these packs of hours work by tranches of 25, 50, and 100 hours. There is no time limit. They don't expire at any time. If you buy 50 hours and you use about 25, 30 on a project, the remaining hours are yours and can be used whenever, wherever you need them for any type of questions. Okay, which is important to mention. Now, the commissions will be based on the level of said partner. Ready partners, first level where everyone starts, will get 10%, silver will get 15%, and gold partners will get 20%. And another very important part to me with experience is the fact that the official partner is published on the website, which basically adds, to me, another sales channel. We've got, like any business, partner or not, any business will prospect for new customers, okay? You've got qualified opportunities sent by your account manager when we receive them. If we have a potential project here that requires a qualification done by the account manager, he will then send it to the partners based on each one's just general knowledge and availability. But being on the website is another sales channel apart in the sense that you will have customer calls, spontaneous calls, to simply analyze a project with you guys. And obviously, marketing resources, like we just mentioned, comparison with other ERPs, and different types of materials for any presentation you may have. Now, here we're going to delve a bit into the actual success packs. Everything is on our website, okay? It's the same format. We are working, like we said, with batch of hours of 25, 50, or 100 hours. And basically, usually these packs, what we see here on the left is a general indication of what can be done through those packs. Obviously, any technical support can be done through 25 hours, but by experience, we see that partners will need more than 25 hours in total to be helped and to be trained on the technical side. Now, these, like I said, there is a discount for the first pack, but these packs can also be used in the beginning, it's quite useful to get a pack to basically get accustomed to Odoo's implementation method, see how one of our consultants, how an Odoo expert handles a project, how he handles the deployment, the development phases, and to just be trained on that side, which is extremely useful. And last but not least here, we'll look at the different partner levels. Like explained before, everyone, whatever the status, whatever the company, whether it be a Fortune 500 or a freelance developer, will start as a ready partner. Ready partners get the accesses we spoke about, get the access to the account manager, and will basically start here trying to get their first customers to eventually publish on a reference. Once that said ready partner gets to 50 user licenses, and we're not talking about 50 Odoo Enterprise contracts, 50 licenses, so whether it be 10 small contracts of 5 users or 1 large contract of 50 users, the partner will be promoted to silver. We'll ask that partner to be certified. Okay, so he's got at least one resource inside the company that is a certified functional Odoo expert, and will enjoy better visibility on the website and higher commissions. Once you get to 150 new users and new licenses, you will again be upgraded to gold, 20% instead of 15, and the best place on top of the website. Now, gold partners usually have been with us for quite a while, and they've got what we call a strategic relationship with Odoo as an editor, in the sense that they've usually contributed to the App Store quite a lot. They've got a lot of customer references on the website. They can basically vouch for their knowledge and their expertise being a gold partner. Now, this will conclude this talk about the partnership program. We're always available here through our booth in the entrance. All the team is there. So if you need any questions, any potential answers, come and see us and we'll have a chat. Thank you very much.